Operation Kitchen, considerable success. Now the only slight downside is that I ended up with a few piles of clean dishes like this, cutlery, dishes. Now it's time to wake up the Sleeping Beauty. Dylan has been sleeping the whole way through, as she always does. She's a very good sleeper. Hello, you. She always wakes up in a very, very good mood. Look at that face. Look at that face. Bye, Mummy.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye. They say if you give them vegetables first, then it's obviously way easier to switch to fruit because then it's sweeter. But if you give them fruit first, then giving them veggies, it becomes some sort of challenge. So we're just hoping we're just doing the right thing, which I'm sure we are. She's like the easiest baby in the world, like very easy. You know, in terms of, you know, it's also not a bad idea apparently to give her water. She loves it. She makes a mess, but she loves it. Now that she's had the puree, I don't know if my technique is 100% optimal. I don't know. She seems to be alright. On today's vlog, I would like to talk about kind of my current situation, where I'm at right now. I haven't even showered yet. Yeah, I'm currently on paternity leave. Maria took 1 month before the baby was born, 4 months after the baby was born, and then she came back to work, and now I took over. And now I'm taking 4 more months, and then I'll go back to work, and Dylan will go to a childminder. And both Dylan and I are changed. I took a shower. So now we're gonna go and run some errands. Right now Dylan and I are going over to my friend Chiara's, who also had a baby, and we're going for a play date. Chiara is a friend of mine from work, and there might be 1 or 2 other colleagues. Hopefully my friend Tash is going to be there too. It's going to be great. Tash is pregnant, by the way. She doesn't have a baby yet, but she will soon. We've made it over to Chiara's, and I look forward to seeing her daughter and also Tash, and it's going to be fun.
Right, tummy's making funny noises, isn't it? My tummy's making funny noises. It's all that cake. Did you hear that? Look at the pictures.
How's it going, Chiara?
Very well. I'm bouncing, which is my main activity these days.
Who's that?
She loves the cameras.
Who's that?
That?
He's smiling. Hello, Daddy. Hello, Daddy. That's a nice smile. Hello, Daddy.
So Tash, when is your baby due?
A week on Sunday. I'm hiding. I wonder if we boy or a girl.
Dylan, will you have a girlfriend or a boyfriend?
My bets are on boy.
Yeah? Do you
Yeah?
Yeah, because we had so many girls, like Kate,
No.
Eliana,
Yeah.
you, me. We've all had
We need a
girls.
boy. Bap, bap. Bap, bap. Bap, bap.
We're done. We're going home from Chiara's. We had an amazing time with Tash and Chiara. And now we're gonna go home. We're gonna take a nap. We've made it home and Maria was dying to see Dylan. Dylan really wanted to see Maria and Finn and
Hello. No grabbing.
it's been a really fun day and yeah, thank you Chiara for having us and see you next time.